Visitors to the 2017 International Motor Show received an impressive demonstration of how automotive developments are now being driven by the suppliers who deliver components to the big car manufacturers. As a major supplier of transmissions and components, ZF is now combining environmental sensors like cameras and radar with the central electronic steering equipment of vehicles and bringing them to the road with intelligent mechatronics in drive units, chassis, and steering. The resulting triad of see, think, act has become a guiding principle for the technology company and a symbol of what sets its technological innovations apart. See, think, act is a guiding principle for us. It's what the autonomous vehicles of tomorrow have to be able to do. They have to be able to see with the help of environmental sensors, camera systems, radar. They have to be able to think using intelligent electronic controls and act through steering systems, rear axle steering, shock absorption, braking systems, and other actuators, which in turn have to be intelligently controlled and which propel and steer the vehicle. ZF takes advantage of its extensive know-how to create not just individual solutions, but to design comprehensive, intelligent systems for megatrends in the mobility sector, like safety, efficiency, and autonomous driving. Reliable, detailed recognition of surroundings, the action of seeing, is the first step for any automated driving system. In order to act appropriately, the system has to be able to recognize where it is going in the first place, as well as road markings and other vehicles on the road. Subsequently, ZF's electronic control units in the computing center and control center of the automated vehicle do the thinking. These components are responsible for collecting and evaluating the signals from the sensors, which are combined to create a three-dimensional image covering 360 degrees of the car's surroundings. On the basis of this data, they can calculate extremely quickly the optimal reaction to the given situation and decide how the vehicle should best react. Recognizing risks and thinking about ways to prevent danger are of little help unless they are followed by concrete actions, the acting element of the aforementioned triad. So, in addition to eyes and a brain, ZF supplies the components required for automated driving systems, mechatronic actuators like transmission, brakes, steering, and chassis systems react within a fraction of a second to the current traffic situation, precisely implementing the solutions calculated by the control center. The result is the Vision Zero vehicle demonstrated at the IAA. We demonstrated our pathway to Vision Zero, which has two dimensions. On the one hand, zero accidents, and on the other, zero emissions. We address these topics using passive and active, built-in safety systems ranging from driver assistance systems to totally autonomous driving. We approach zero emissions with the help of an electric plug-in hybrid system and our purely electric drivetrain. This is our pathway to Vision Zero. For example, there is driver distraction assist, which recognized when the driver is becoming distracted and can steer the vehicle if need be until there is no more danger. In 2016, about 350 people lost their lives because they became distracted while driving. With a wrong-way inhibitor built into the vehicle, ZF aims to prevent people from driving the wrong way on highways, which often ends fatally. Safety innovations like this one, which ZF demonstrated in the test vehicle, are seen as essential forerunners for the transition phase between assisted and autonomous driving. In addition, thanks to its highly integrated electric drivetrain, the concept vehicle is emissions-free in short-range driving. It is propelled by an electric axle drive system with 150 kilowatts of power. This compact drive unit combines an electric engine, a two-stage one-gear spur gearbox, a differential, and the power electronics. This modular axle system can be used in hybrid, fuel cell, or battery-powered vehicles. Our focus is on intelligent mechanical systems. ZF supplies these systems for drivetrain technology and chassis technology, as well as for active and passive safety technology. With the help of networks, we create more added value for our customers, thereby helping develop the mobility of the future.